911, what's your emergency?
Hi, I'm calling to report a robbery at a liquor store.
What's the address?
It's going to be on Rosecrans and Studebaker.
The address.
I don't know the address.
Do you work there?
No, I just seen it happen and he's still here.
What's the name of the liquor store? Okay, and then what did you see happen?
He had 2 duffel bags. He was carrying a shotgun, and he was just...
Okay, and they didn't call? The employees didn't call?
I don't know why they did it, but they were just, they got robbed. He told them, give me all your money. It was
the white, black, Asian, or Hispanic?
white.
All right, around how old? 20s, 30s, 40s?
Well, 30, red hat on as well.
Okay, and then what color shirt, color pants?
Looks like an olive green jacket and blue jeans.
Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! 1033, give me the patch.
Get you in the patch stuff.
25 people going to be detained. 1 211 suspect at gunpoint. This cross sir?
20. Center 21 overhead.
Can I get 1 unit to come in from south of the parking lot from Rosecrans?
Yeah, Studebaker, Rosecrans. Down, please. Get somebody to shut down northbound traffic.
Hey, alright, listen up. Start walking back towards our vehicle. Keep your hands on top of your head and start walking back. Hey, come over here, give an announcement. Alright, start walking back towards us, bro.
That's okay. Hold the taser. Hey, yeah, officer that, get a taser. Alright, let's walk up. Don't reach! Don't reach! Don't reach! Don't reach! Hey, let me see your hands! Hey, if you don't see his hands, shoot him with a 40. Hey, go!
Keep going, you're downrange.
417 in hand. Okay, you got your, all right. Hey, yeah, holster that, get a taser. All right, let's walk up.
No passes on to keep your hands on.
Who's got the 40? Who's got the 40? Hey! Commander! 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 Don't reach! Don't reach! Hey, let me see your hands! Hey, if you don't see his hands, shoot him with the 40. Watch out, watch out! Hey! Watch out! Got my rifle!
Keep going, you're downrange.
417 in hand.
Hey! 998! That's okay. Hold the taser. Hey, yeah, officer that, get a taser. All right, let's walk up. Don't reach! Don't reach! Don't reach! Don't reach! Hey, let me see your hands! Hey, if you don't see his hands, shoot him with a 40. Hey, go! Watch out! Got my rifle!
Keep going, you're downrange.
417 in hand.
He's got a shotgun. Get down.
Hey, I've got my rifle.
Keep going down range.
Be back. Hey, watch past my Hey, I've got AR. Grab the fucking AR. Yeah, come on, let me go. Hey, stop back. Hey, stop pitching me. Drive. Okay, settle down.
You guys have got that suspect in custody. Let's get down to our line, and then I need somebody to go into that fashion center. Make sure there's no police inside there.
What's up, bro? What's up?
Hey, just confirm, we got all these streets locked down. We're getting handcuffs on the suspect now.